Hi! In front of me is UleFone Armor 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. First of all, go into settings and scroll down to access security. Now click on biometrics and password. Tap on face unlock and enter your current login method. Then tap on the bottom right corner twice and follow all of the instructions presented on your screen. Following that, select Done. And now when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!